The MOOSOO cordless vacuum. I've been checking it out this week. It has a 24 kPa suction with a 200-watt advanced brushless motor, two suction levels. And when you engage that, you really feel the suction. And those of you that have hardwood or laminate can appreciate that. That's pet hair. And that's also really tricky to get. Now let's try some big chunky cereal. I wanted to try this. I put it on max. Now watch the suction power. See how it's actually pulling that cereal back. So all I had to do is lift the vacuum a little bit to crunch it up. And I gobble it all up. And with the rug, you could definitely feel it grabbing on and getting the debris.
This is on low right now. I'm going to put it on high power.
You loosen this here, and that allows you to remove that. And then you can just attack that directly. And occasionally if you need to clean